In this video I will talk about ONDO and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the video. ONDO is right now on place 76 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.1 billion. It's one of the biggest coins in the real world asset niche. And the real world asset niche will have a massive potential in this bull run. And if we are looking at the weekly time frame, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend. From the down to the top, we already saw a move about over 420%. And as you can see, after this last bullish candle right here at the all-time high at $1.06, we then saw this correction to the downside. But as you can see, we retested this last high right here. And if we go on the daily time frame, you can see it even better. We had the last high right here at 65 cents. Then we broke through this zone to the upside. We made a new all-time high. And then we came all the way back to this last high right here, retested it with this 2 wicks. And then we saw this bullish push to the upside. And it's very often happening in the charts that we are either retesting this last demand zone, which was building right here, this blue zone, or that we are retesting this last high, what we see right here. Or if we are using the Fibonacci tool, we also are often retesting this last 0.618 Fibonacci zone, or we see a move back to the 0.786 Fibonacci zone. And in this case, after we built the all-time high, we then saw this correction to the downside, broke this last lows right here to the downside. Then we consolidated in this area. Then we took the liquidity which was laying under this lows right here with this wicks. And as I'm always telling you, if we are seeing this wicks, but the candle closes over this last highs or lows, then the chance extremely high that we see a opposite direction move, because we took the liquidity which was resting under this lows, and then we have enough fuel to go to the opposite direction. And as you can see, we saw the strong bullish momentum out of this zone, but we didn't broke this last all-time high. So till now we don't continue the bullish trend completely, because we have to break this last high to be in a bullish trend. But we then came again into this zone and also saw this bullish reaction. And as long as we are not breaking this last lows to the downside and close under this last all-time high, then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend just from this zone. Just if we are closing under this last price at $0.65, then the chance extremely high that we see an even bigger retracement. And then of course the next really interesting area is this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this whole move. And the chance if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction, then the chance extremely high that we can see even higher prices just from this zone. But as I said, right now we didn't broke this lows yet, so the chance is higher that we directly see even higher prices and continue the bullish trend, especially if Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is now moving to the upside. And as you can see, we also had the last high right here at the total crypto market cap. Then the price came back into the zone, but we are just seeing this wicks closing above. And the chance is increasing that we are seeing higher prices for the whole crypto market, especially with the now approved halving. And also Bitcoin shows some bullish interest because we are seeing this wicks down here, but didn't close under this lows. So the chance keeps increasing that we are seeing higher prices from here. So for the short term, the chance is very high that we can see even higher prices for ONDO. And for the long term, I'm even more bullish on ONDO. Because as I said, ONDO is one of the best performing real world asset coins. And I see a lot of potential in this crypto niche. And if we would compare ONDO right now, the market cap, to the market cap of VeChain at the all-time high, we would then have the price target of $11.72 and a 14x potential. And I think this comparison makes sense because VeChain was one of the best performing altcoins in the last cycle. And I think the chance is very high that ONDO can reach the all-time high of VeChain. Again, if we have a look at the market cap, we just have a market cap of 1.1 billion. So we still have a lot of potential in this altcoin. And if you want to trade or buy ONDO, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC and no VPN trading platform. So especially if you're from the US, UK or Canada, you can use this crypto exchange legally. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 trading bonus. You will find the link in the description. So all in all guys, I think ONDO is a great project with a very high potential. And I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices just after this accumulation. Just if we are breaking this last ones to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ONDO, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.